Hi there guys and girls, good evening. As what you can see right now, here in Araneta Coliseum, it's a concert of Enhypen entitled Destined. And fans are now getting out after the concert. It's a meet and greet. Guys and girls, I didn't watch for this because I don't have complimentary ticket, and even if I have money, I'm not gonna watch for this because I'm not their avid fan, sorry to say, but I'm capturing this one just for you to witness how the crowd going in here, how are their experience, as you can see on their faces, just for you to see it right in your face with your bold eyes, and just for your memories to cherish one of these days that who knows, we can probably say that you are here watching yourselves here on my channel, okay? Excuse me, how was the concert? Is it a concert or ano, meet and greet lang? Concert?
Fan meet.
Fan meet? They sang?
Opo.
Okay.
Si
Who's your favorite?
Sono po.
Okay. Thank you. Excuse me, how's the concert?
Masaya naman po. Enjoy po. Dapat po.
Hi, excuse me, how's the concert? So they are enjoying, guys. Lots of fans. Hi, how's the concert po? Glad to see them, guys and girls, that they enjoy and had fun for this concert. You know what, guys and girls, I wasn't able to catch any of their concerts, but I know the group Enhypen because I think this could be their second or third coming here in the Philippines. Hi, excuse me, how's the concert?
Ay po, sobrang saya po.
Opo. Pang ilan na ba nila to?
Ano po, first time po ng fan meet. Bali,
Oo.
tapos isang concert. Bali pa karang pangalawa.
Thank you so much. Hi, excuse me, how's the concert?
Good po.
Okay. Hi. Gosh, there are lots of fans here, as you can see.